Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create divisions in UDisE Plus. First, you need to log into the UDisE Plus portal using your school's unique UDisE code and password. After successfully logging in, proceed to the Student module. Within this module, you will find the Section Management option, which is your essential gateway to effectively organizing and managing all student divisions for your school. To add a new division, first select the relevant class from the available options, for instance, Class 6. Then, click on the Add Section button. You will be prompted to enter the division's name, such as Section B, and choose the medium of instruction. This crucial step allows you to create distinct groups for students within each class, enhancing organizational clarity. Once divisions are created, you can easily manage their details. This includes editing division names or deleting any extra sections, provided a class has more than one. You also have the flexibility to transfer students from one division to another within the same class, ensuring accurate student placement and maintaining precise record-keeping for all academic purposes. After making all necessary adjustments, it is crucial to save your changes to finalize the division structure within the UDisE Plus system. Double-check that all students are accurately assigned to their respective divisions. Finally, confirm that this updated division data is correctly reflected in any generated reports, maintaining precise and reliable information across the entire UDisE Plus platform for your school.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.